Hello class, Bryan Ricardo here with my final oral presentation for our internship. My internship happened to be at Custom Design Partners, which is a web development company that does marketing as well. Local here to Jacksonville, Florida. I was happy to work with them because it's in the exact field that I hope to work soon. So it was a good match and I was happy to get the experience here. My primary task with working with them was to create a website for a plumbing company that would be local to Jacksonville. This is a hypothetical company. They just gave me a company name and domain name to work under. Everything else as far as content I was able to create myself, which I was happy for the freedom to do that. What you see here is a logo that I made through a technology called Canva, which basically is just a content creating website in which you don't have to worry about copyright issues. So everything you make, you own. So this logo is part of this global header. My website was comprised of 4 web pages, which you see the titles of here. We're currently on the home page, but all 4 of these websites would have the same global header, which is this logo on top of this grayed out plumbing here. We're going to scroll down and just take a quick look at all the pages in the work that I had to do. I did most of this through what's called the Divi builder, which you see I could click to here, which would help you kind of create modules and layout and backgrounds, and everything that you see here was done through the Divi theme builder, which seems to be a huge component of the work that they do at CDP. Anyway, on our homepage, we have an introduction to the company, slider module showing some work that they do as far as renovations. We have some mission statements here for expert quality and timely service, an area for customer feedback, satisfied customer feedback, which is always a nice touch on a website for a company. And lastly, just a quote by Augmentino that's very relative to plumbing work. Next page that we'll go to will be services. And you'll see on the services page that aside from the global header, these next 3 pages will kind of have this banner header as well, telling you what the page is about. This one's titled Our Services. Then we're just going to get a list of residential services, commercial services, and of course, emergency services. This one has a video module that WordPress makes very easy to install here. This is of a broken pipe and plumber working on that to help advertise the emergency services here. This is a call to action button. The idea is that if you click this, your computer will call the company for you right away. Some more pictures for content. And then this is the global footer. This footer is actually on all 4 pages as well. Let's keep it moving here. All right, the About page. It's going to have the same global header and then a banner header as well. You see the animated icons that are on every page. As you scroll down, you get that. One thing WordPress does well is this kind of static background that I really liked. So you can scroll the content and the background stays there. It's a really nice touch, I thought. So we have our history here, and then we'll have types of service that we offer and a little bit about the teams that we send out. This is a little component to introduce you to the owner, and then again, a call to action button if you just wanted to contact for information. Mission statement across the bottom, again, global header. All right. Contact us, which will be the last page of my project here. Again, I animated icons there. Huge Google Map module here, which was really cool. I was able just to pick any address to do this. So I chose Mosh. It's important to me as a science fan, but I liked this component of the huge map, being able to show where your business is located. Another call to action button here, and then of course the office hours and a place where you can submit a message to contact. Same global footer. So this is my website for eTown Plumbers and the main thing that I did at CDP for my internship, which I very much enjoyed.